I'm Debi Sementelli. Welcome to my studio. I've been a lettering artist for the past 30 years and a font designer for the past 8 years. So whether you're a beginner or more experienced, I have lots of tips and tricks to share with you. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to flourish lowercase script letters. It's one of my favorite things to do. I'll show you how whole arm movement is the secret to creating big, beautiful flourishes. This is an intermediate level class. However, if you've never picked up a brush before and you'd like to give it a go, I have plenty of downloadable templates that are very helpful, so you could give it a try. Or you can take my beginner brush lettering class. After taking this class, you'll know the secrets to creating big, beautiful flourishes, as well as the basic types of flourishes, where to add flourishes to a letter, and how to make flourished letters work within a word. And most importantly, your lettering will look amazing. All you'll need for this class is the downloadable handouts, some basic tracing paper, and a brush marker. And that's it, and then we're good to go. I hope you'll join me. We've got lots of flourishing to do.